Hey guys, Weekend Water here with a quick send-in service proof video for Mary T of Texas. Mary, this is the console that you sent in. It is a Jasper motherboard. We RGH'd it using the RGH 1.2 method. So we used a Matrix Glitcher chip and the RGH 1.2 timing files. We did orange LEDs on the front here. Got the backup disc on top of the console that has your original NAND dumps, all that sort of stuff. As you can see, you got a nice fast boot time there. And by default here, the console is even going to fire up automatically into Freestyle Dashboard. Dash Launch, XEX Menu, and Aurora Dash are all pre-installed as well. Be sure to take a look at the links that come in the final confirmation email for you. Those links include a tutorial video and then a link to a whole series put out by XX Modded Warfare that'll teach you pretty much anything that you could possibly want to do on an RGH. So definitely appreciate your patience, and we'll go ahead and get this thing packed up and on its way out to you. This particular console actually arrived on the 8th, so it's just about a week, but basically 5 business days old today. So still within our turnaround time, but I appreciate that this one went a little longer than some of them. I actually had a computer crash, solid state drive failed on me. So I've been spent the last couple of days fixing that back up and getting back up to running. So enjoy, and hope you have a good one. Thanks, bye.